Understanding, giving it time, a guide to patience in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, giving it time. This expression is all about patience and waiting. Whether you're learning English or encountering this phrase in daily conversations, understanding its nuances can be really helpful. So, let's get started. Giving it time means allowing a situation or a person some time to develop, improve, or heal. It's often used when immediate results are not expected, and patience is required. For example, if you're learning a new skill, someone might say, "Give it time, you'll get better." It's a way of saying that progress or healing isn't instantaneous but requires patience. This phrase can be used in various scenarios. 1. Personal growth, when learning something new or overcoming a challenge. 2. Relationships, allowing people or relationships to grow or heal. 3. Professional environment, in work situations where processes or projects take time to develop. Let's see how it's used in sentences. After a disagreement, we're still upset, but let's give it time to cool off. In learning, you're not fluent in English yet, but keep practicing and give it time. At work, the new system is complex, but if we give it time, it will become easier. Other phrases with a similar meaning include, patience is a virtue, emphasizing the importance of patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, reminding that significant work takes time. Time heals all wounds, suggesting that emotional pain lessens over time. Remember, giving it time is all about understanding that some things can't be rushed. Whether it's personal growth, relationships, or professional matters, sometimes all you need is a bit of patience. I hope this video helps you in grasping this essential aspect of the English language. Keep learning, and don't forget to give yourself time too.